Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Seagate external hard drive. As you can see here, it is the 2 TB, as I don't know how you say it, trigabyte or tigabyte, I don't know. I just say 2 TB. It's for the PC, but some people are telling me that it also works for the Mac, which I have no idea. I'll find out, but I do have a PC, so. And I've already taken the plastic off and the stickers off, so I'll show you guys how it looks like inside. I actually got this on special, which was $89 here in Canada, and it was actually the very last one left. So here's the instructions. We got this one. We got this 35 free songs. I don't know if I'm pointing it right. And this little paper here, so you can see. Alright. Comes in this box. I believe this is all the wires that are in here. We'll find out very soon. If I can even open it. Alright, so here, what do we have in here? Alright, we have the USB cable, so you can see. Sorry if my lighting is not so great. This is the USB, as you can see right down here. That's the USB. We'll put that back in here. Get in there. Alright, what else do we have? We have, right here, which I believe is the stand. Looks like the stand. Right here. Here's the back. Alright, I'll try to do this quick. Open this box. Man, these boxes are confusing. The plug. Here's the plug. With a little wire over here that you plug in it. Alright, move that out of the way. And the unveiling of the hard drive, which is kind of heavy. Right there. And here it is. This is the hard drive. Here's the back. This is, I believe, well, not the front, but one of the front sides. And then the other side, still got the wrapping. And here's the edge. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see it. Don't think I can fill this up, ever. I don't have that much stuff to fill up with. But it looks really, really nice. If any of you have even got this, let me know what you guys think of it. If it's really good. I'll be trying this very soon on my Mac or PC, if it works for PC. Or, I mean, if it works for Mac, it works for Mac, but I always got a PC. So that's the opening of the box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want, leave comments, and I'll see you guys later.